Let's go and find some gold. Oh, I've made it, my lovers. I've come to the field where I found those 3 Charles I hammered coins. I thought the small coil seemed to be working better in drier conditions. I think it's putting more electricity into the ground, sort of thing, better signal. When you've got a bigger coil, it sort of dilutes it a bit. So I've got the small coil on, I've got a signal. Shall we live dig it? Right there. Oh. Oh God, full of rocks. It is full of rocks. Oh. And ants. Red ants as well. Oh no. I'm just going to have to risk getting bitten. Oh, I got something, and it's a bit of rubbish. Oh well, get off, red ants. Ah, right. Yeah, it's just a bit of rubbish. Oh well, on to the next. Oh, I got a nice signal here, my lovers. .1242, and it's only 12 yards from where I found those hammered coins. Oh. Don't think it's a hammered coin. It's an old bottle top. Is that a screw lid? Possibly. Yeah, I think it's a screw-on lid. It's got some sort of design on it. Right, I'll see if I can get this glass out and see if I can get the design visible. But it does look like a... I don't know if that's a screw top or not. Oh, here it is, my lovers. Looks like an elephant. Got his tusks and his curled up trunk, and he's got that thing over the top of his head, so he's an Indian elephant. There's some writing on the bottom, but I can't quite read it. Something stir. Anyway, just a bottle top. Oh, I thought I'd, seeing as I'm in that field where I found those hammered coins, I thought I might go for a few iron signals as well. And I just add this. Now it reminds me, I don't know why, but it looks like that's a hinge. And that looks like it was used to perhaps pull down. Now, it looks a little bit like one of those things you get on a flintlock rifle. You know, the plate that you'd pull down and it would go scratch against it and light the sparks. Sort of the thing you'd click down. But I'll give it a bit of a clean, so I can get off some of this crustation. And we'll see if there's any sort of pattern to it or shape. Oh, there you go, my lovers. It's best I cleaned up as I can. Yeah, it's got definitely It's a bit cleaned off there, look. I reckon it's that bit that lifts up and the flint strikes like a rough plate here and sends sparks down into the chamber. Bang. I don't know. It might be. It's got that sort of weird, that sort of shape to it. I don't know. What do you think, my lovers? Right, go look at the signal I got here. Bit weird. Sort of a longish thing. Ah! Looks like a coin. Looks like a threepence. There might be more than one in the hole. It's a Fisley threepence. 1944. 1944. George the 6th. Right. Let's check the hole because it looked like it might be a spill. Nope, that was it. That was just the camera stand. Ooh, look what it got down in here. It wasn't a very good signal. It looks like it was on a bit on edge. Oh, George the 5th. $1916. Over in this country we've got a programme called the Antiques Roadshow, and last Sunday they had a 1933 penny on there, and it was worth between 80 and £100,000. Now that'd be nice if I could find one of those, wouldn't it? Wouldn't it just? Go look at this down here, my lovers. I think I've got an artefact. Ooh. Ooh. Got gold gilt on it. I thought it was going to be a bit of a tin can. It was a terrible signal. Right, I'm not going to rub it too much. I'm going to get a toothbrush on it and clean it up very, very carefully. Right. What's that? I've got no idea what this is. It is a bit weird. This is the find of the day for sure. It's got gold gilt all over it. It's even got gold gilt on the back. Is that a hole? Possibly a hole. Don't go all the way through there, I don't think. A bit encrusted mud in there. Yeah, weird. Is that solid? Oh no, it's hollow. That is hollow. So this is a strap end? A very elaborate strap end? Let's get some better water on it. It's a bit heavy for a strap end, I would have thought. But what is that? It's really thick metal. It couldn't be a strap end, surely. There's a hole there. Oh, there's a hole in the top. Right. This is one for the fines liaison officer. Beautiful. But it's not solid gold. That would be lovely, wouldn't it? Let's get a good shot for the intro. About there. Yes. Right. Hole there. Hole in the top. I've seen ones with holes in the top before, and there's some sort of pendant for horses. Horse type pendant. But that is a stunner. That's the best thing I've found in yonks. Right, on to the next. Oh, look what I got here, my lovers. I got a paint pot. What's it say? Invert bottle and shake well before use. Before using. Invert. Oh, it's on there. Oh, look, there's still stuff in there. God, it's oil paint. I can smell it. Smell the terps. Lovely jubbly. Oh, it'd be a nice little bottle to put my hammered coins in, wouldn't it? Oh, looks like we've onto a bit of a hot spot here, my lovers. He thinks I got a coin. Oh, it's an old 5p. No longer spendable. Oh well, I'll have to clean that one up for the pub. Right, what's the year? 1969, year before I was born. It's got 1969 on it. Perhaps they come out before 1970 then. Oh, that's it, me lovers. I'm going to head off to the pub for some jars of ale. I better not show this location, otherwise, you know, people would want to come and dig up my finds from this field. It's been a very good field to me. I found those Charles I hammered coins. And now that medieval pendant. So methinks I'm going to head off to the pub for some jars of ale. Cheers!
Cold blows the wind on my true love, and gently drops the rain. Never had but one true love, in greenwood he lies slain. I'll do so much for my